Hello, Mai. Good evening.
I love this show.
Yeah, so how are you tonight, Mai?
I'm happy.
Well, that's great because you are happy tonight. Okay, how's the weather today?
It's Sunday.
Great because it is sunny. All right. What about you, Sarah? Can you hear me well?
Yes.
Yes. Nice. All right. So, how's the weather in your place? Is it also sunny? Is it also sunny? Is it also sunny in your place, Sarah?
Yes.
Well, that's really great. Okay. So, because here in my
Tôi là
place,
cặp mấy miếng
it's
mà.
not sunny whole day. It has been raining so hard because there is a typhoon. So anyway, for tonight, we are going to start with mover speaking test. All right. So here in part one, you can see two pictures. Oh, in part one, it's all about finding differences. So the purpose of this book is to practice your speaking skills in English. Okay, so this is actually very easy, but okay, this will help you more to improve in speaking skill. All right, are you ready to get started, Sarah and Mai? Hello, Sarah and Mai, are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
All right. So I want you to look at the two pictures in here. Let me ask you a question first. Oh no, let's look at the two pictures. So Mai and Sarah, there are four differences between picture one and picture two. Actually, both pictures look similar to each other. However, if you're going to look at its details, there are so many differences, like four differences that you can see from picture one and picture two. So Sarah, I want you to tell me only two differences between those pictures. So what are the two differences between picture one and two? You can do it, Sarah. Just give me two.
Um, in picture one, the there is there are bananas in the bowl, but in picture two, there are not any bananas in the bowl.
Very good. Another one.
In a picture one, the girl church is has a picture moon, but in picture two, the girl is wearing shirt. It has a star on the shirt.
Nice. Now, great job on that one, Sarah. Now, your turn, mine. There are other two differences. So, what are those remaining differences, mine? Hello, Mike. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So, what are the remaining differences between picture one and two here?
But in picture two, there are banana in the bowl.
Oh, I cannot hear you, Mike. Sarah, can you hear me? Hello, Sarah. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, now Mai, by the way, I cannot hear you well, Mai. Can you hear me?
Yes.
There you are. Now again, tell me the two differences between picture one and two.
Episode 2. There are banana in the bowl.
Oh, by the way, hold on. Sorry to cut you off, Mai. Find another differences that are not yet answered by Sarah. Look, these are the differences that Sarah already found. Now you find other differences aside from the ones that are already found. All right?
And episode 2. The shirt is star.
Oh, by the way, Sarah, can you help Mai to translate what I've said earlier?
Yes.
Okay, please, Sarah.
I not say yes. Who say yes?
Oh, sorry. Now, Sarah, can you please help Mai understand what I said earlier? Tell her to find other two differences, the ones that are not yet found in here.
Okay. I said to my
Yes, please.
in picture 1, the car is on the
Oh, wait a
chair,
minute.
but
No,
in
no, no, no,
picture
no, not that. Not that. Mai will be the one to say that. You tell her in Vietnamese the instruction. Because the instruction here is, okay, Sarah will find two differences. So Sarah's done. Then there are other two differences that are not yet found. So Mai will be the one to say that. So tell Mai not to repeat your answer already. All right?
I speak to cái đáp án của tôi nó đã có là nói cả hai đúng không? Ê, là nói cả hai đúng không? Không phải cái đáp án này tôi làm rồi là đừng có nói nữa. Ủa thì cô kêu là cái đáp án này tôi làm rồi. Two mà. Ừ thì cái khác đi chứ bà nội. Trời ơi, cái cũng không chọn một cái mà được nói. Ờ, hiểu chưa? Ok, ok.
All right. Thank you for that one, Sarah. Now your turn, Mai.
In picture 1, the car is on the chair, but in picture 2, the car is under the chair.
Very good.
Next to the chair. Next to the chair.
Very good. What else?
Um, and picture 1. In picture 1, the baby, the baby is wearing a green and pink t-shirt, but in picture 2, the baby is wearing a white and blue t-shirt.
Yes, a great job, you all. You found all those four differences in here. Nice. Now, I want you to look at the first picture, only Mai and Sarah. Let's talk about it. Okay, look at the first picture. What can you see in picture one? Sarah and Mai.
Yeah,
What can you see in picture one?
I can see I can see people in the kitchen.
Very good. How about you, Mai? What can you see in this picture?
The mom is holding a pot.
Ah, very good. Or what we call a kiro. Okay, so Sarah, what is the kettle for? Kettle or pot? What is the pot for here? Yes, Sarah, do you have any idea?
Yeah,
By the way, this one is what we call a pot or a kettle, like this one. So what is this for, Sarah? Or Mai, do you have any idea what is this for? Hello, Mai. Hello, Mai, can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you.
All right. Now I want you to look at the picture that I encircled. What is this for?
I can see baby and the flower.
Now, I mean, what is this for? What is the purpose of that picture? Of this one? Look, this is what you call a pot. So what is the pot for, Mai?
It's red.
What is this for? Do you know what is this for, Mai? Yes or no? Hello, Mai.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, now look at this. Do you know what is this for?
Yes, I can see the pot. The
Very good.
pot.
So what is the usage of the pot?
It's what is a bottle?
I mean, why do we need the pot? What is the use of the pot?
Mm, it's bring a butter.
Yes, you are correct on that one. Actually, we use the pot or what we call a heater. We use this heater if we want to drink some hot water, hot coffee, hot or any hot drinks. Okay, so we just put the cold water into it or from the tap water, we put it in here, then plug it in to the socket, then the water will become hot or warm. So this heater is for the water to become hot. All right, Mike? Is that clear, Mike?
It's no.
What did I say, Mike? Again, Mike, can you please repeat what I said? What is the heater for?
It's very hot.
Say that again. What is the heater for?
For the router purple.
Okay, now your turn, Sarah. What is the heater for? Look at the picture that I circled, Sarah. That red thing is what we call a heater or a pot. So what is this for, Sarah? Hello, Sarah. Oh, is Sarah here? By the way, Sarah, please unmute yourself. I cannot hear you. Hello, Sarah. Can you hear? Hello, Sarah. Oh, how about you, Mike? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. Now look at this kettle. So we use that one to make a hot water. If you want to drink a coffee, some milk, or any hot drinks, you can actually use this Heater. We call that one heater so that the cold water will turn into hot. All right. So do you have
Yes.
a heater at home, Mai? Do you have a heater at home? Hello, Mai. I cannot
Yes.
hear you.
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Yeah, I am asking you a question. Do you have a heater at home?
Yes.
All right. Now look, what other things can you see in the first picture?
I see.
What other things can you see here?
I don't see.
Say that again. Oh, look at this one, my. What can you see from this picture?
Something that.
All right. So anyway, let's just move on in part two in here. Okay, so part two is all about creating a story out of the pictures. So look, this story is all about friends who always get dirty. Now this time, I want you to look at the picture to create a story. Then later on, I will ask you a question about it. So pay attention, all right? Okay, now you can now start mine. Hello, Mai. You may now start.
Yes, I can hear. Press on waiter T. Press very dirty. Press play. Fred is playing football with his friend and very dirty.
So what happened next, Mai, after he gets dirty?
After Fred go home and 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 takes a shower.
All right.
Then my his his mother does the laundry and his mother and Fred speak together.
Mm-hmm.
Finally, it's so happy. Finally, Fred rides a bike. It's very dirty.
Yes. Okay. So look at this story. This is actually a funny story because at first, when he played outside in the soccer field, he gets dirty immediately. And that now that his mom told him to go outside and he can now ride a bike. So since it's muddy and maybe the rain just stopped in that area, that is why Fred easily gets dirty again. What about you, Mai? Okay, so what would you do if you get dirty from playing outside?
Okay, okay, okay.
I'm asking you a question. What would you do if you gets dirty outside?
Um, I make a question.
No, no, no. I am asking you a question about the story. Okay, how about you? What would you do if you gets dirty from playing outside?
He takes a shower.
That's right. So who usually wash your clothes, Mai?
Mm, His mother.
What do you mean his mother? No, you. Who wash your clothes?
And my
Who, Mai?
my sister.
Your sister. Wow, that's so kind of your sister and helpful for her to do that. Okay, yes. So whenever that we get dirty,
Hmm? Yes.
we should take a shower immediately. And of course, you can instead of playing outside, we can actually help our mom in washing our dishes. In or no, in washing our clothes. Okay. So my I want you to look at part three. So this part three is all about add one out. So when you say add one out, this means that you're going to take out the picture that doesn't belong to the group. Are you ready?
One out.
Are you ready to start, Mai? By
No,
the way, Mai, I can't hear you.
no. Yeah, I can play,
Okay, so look at this
play.
one. This is an example, Mai. Listen carefully. This is the first column. So which picture do you think that doesn't belong to the group? It is this book. Okay, you can tell me in the first column, I can see an orange. Oh no, I can see a lemon, a pineapple, a book, and an orange. So the book doesn't belong to the group because it's not a fruit. It is a book that we can read. Okay, now your turn, Mai. Look at the second column and tell me about it. You can do it, Mai.
Mm, in picture one is a chair. Picture two is a toothbrush. Picture three is bath. Picture four is a root. But in picture one, this is chair down in the bathroom.
Very good. So yes, it is what's that? It's the sofa that doesn't belong to the group because it's not in the bathroom. So where do we put the sofa, Mai?
Sofa.
Where do we put the sofa?
Mm, it's in the living room.
Very good. It is in the living room. Okay. Now look at the third column here, Mai. Oh, by the way, Sarah is already here. So Sarah, can you hear me? Hello, Sarah, can you hear me? Oh, I think there's something wrong with her internet connection. Okay, so I want you to continue with column three. So what are they doing in each picture? And tell me the difference. Tell me the picture that doesn't belong to the group. You can do it, Mai. Yes, you can do it, Mai.
Yes. In picture one is the cat sleep. Picture two, the baby is sleep. In picture three, the boy is wake up. And in picture four, the 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 man is sleeping. But in picture three, it's difficult because he is wake up.
Right. Okay. Now what about in the last picture?
Let me show. In picture one, the plane. In picture two, the panda. In picture three, the helicopter. In picture 2. In picture 4, the bird is fly in the sky. But in picture 2, the panda is eat the plants.
All right. So thank you so much for telling me the differences. Thank you so much for doing your best in choosing which picture doesn't belong to each group, Mai. All right, Mai. So, Mai, it's already time. So we'll just end in here and we'll continue on Thursday. Have a good night and see you on Thursday. Goodbye, Mai.